We're going to go through these two corners and go to that straightaway. Stay to the left. Go ahead, cross that white line. Foot off the gas. How was that?
Awesome.
Nice job. All right, we're going to be coming to some orange cones. Stay to the right. We're going to travel between those orange cones. There they are. All right, foot back on the gas, maintain this speed. Good. At this white line, cross it. Stay to the right of it. Stay to the right of it. All right, foot off the gas, find the brake pedal and pump it once. Good. And go ahead and put it in neutral. You got the brake, slow down. Straight ahead. Right there where this white tape is. There you go. Awesome. Good job.
Thank you very much.
You're
for your help.
welcome.